I don't think I'm gonna like this part. Okay, I'm all ready to go, but we have one thing to do. Bye, Mom.
Bye. Have a good day.
Thanks. Good morning. It's currently really early, but today we're trying something really different. Okay, see this? We're going fishing. I didn't realize how puffy my eyes were. This here is a Carolina rig. Essentially, this is gonna sit at the bottom, and while the waves are pulling the line, it's gonna make whatever's dangling on this hook kind of look alive. And if you haven't guessed it, we're going for stripers. This is my first time surf fishing, and I'm kind of nervous. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I think that's the beauty in it, and figuring it out together will be pretty fun. Gosh, is my hair that dry too? Apologies. Or I put this green thing on because I'm tired of my fingers getting pricked. But first, we need to get bait. What these birds are trying to eat is what we're trying to use as bait as well. And I don't have a long beak like them to grab it, so I brought Jacob's sand toys to help me look for them. Let's see how we do. It must have been a better plan. For, but hopefully one that's alive. Okay, I'm having a little trouble finding some sand crabs, so we're gonna use plan B. Plan B. Let's see how it does. What do you think? We gotta try it. Okay, let's go cast. I think they're getting bait while leaving their poles soaking. I should probably be looking for bait too. I've also noticed, I think my leader line isn't long enough. So I'm gonna switch that out as well, and I don't know, maybe beg for some sand crabs. Okay, let's do some fixes. You see, there were 2 pyramid sinkers on there, and they're no longer there. I might have flung it off, and I don't have any more. So we're gonna have to go home and get new ones. You win today, stripers. You win today. But I will be back, because now I'm doing this out of spite. Okay, you guys, we were saved by Carlos. He's given me an extra leader and brought more weight for me to use. We're gonna set it up really quickly and go out there. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! This is what we're gonna put on the hooks. Way better than the orange fluffer that I was using. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it feels so weird. This is what it, oh no. But this is a sand crab. Oh, they feel kind of funny. And I think this one is a female one because it has those eggs. They feel like little bugs, so I don't really want to touch it too much, but it's pretty cool. Well, Carlos already got some soft shell sand crabs for bait, and he has this device too that's way more sophisticated than my sand pail. Okay, I have the new swivel on, way better quality than the one I was using earlier. And then we're gonna attach it to this thing right here, which is called the leader. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many was that? And then, okay, pretty good. Now we gotta attach the sand crabs. I don't think I'm gonna like this part. Okay, this is the hook, and you're gonna pierce them. Sorry. Ooh, like that. So they could. Nah, I just feel bad. Let's go cast it. Oh, what could it be? Oh, it's right there. Oh, it's right there. Oh! 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 Wow! Wow! Holy cow! Holy cow! Wow! Wow! We're gonna wash it here. Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God.
It's about 12 here.
Uh-huh.
So it goes all the way to the tail here.
Okay, tail to head.
Yeah.
Okay. Tail to head. Tail to head. Tail to head. Wow. Wow. Done, done! Wow! Holy cow! We did it! We did it! You think I'd never seen a fish before, but catching one from shore feels like no other. Wow! I gotta call my mom. She's not gonna believe this. Wow! Wow! Okay, as exciting as it is, we still need to see if it's a keeper. They have to be 18 inches to keep here in California. Let's lay this across. Sorry. Okay. 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 About 22 inches. Wow. A keeper striped bass. Wow. It's getting really cold here at Ocean Beach, and I think one is perfectly enough for my family. So we're going to go home, but first we're gonna release all these guys that we didn't use. Oh, and some are already burying themselves. And these poor ones didn't make it, but it's okay. It'll be food for someone else. Wow, how it takes so fast. Okay, let's go home. Whew. Okay, let's go. Should have brought my inhaler. Should have brought my inhaler. Was gone napping, Care Bear laid the whole fish, cut it up, packaged it, cooked it.
I said I'm on auto mode. Let's check the fish. Oh, still a little pink. So
Pink.
2 more minutes.
2 more minutes. Wow.
Wow.
What recipe is this?
Just jingyu. It's just steamed fish, Chinese style. And then you need the hot oil. Ginger scallion on top.
That band-aid doesn't look up to health code.
I know. I've been using this. Super flavor soy.
Wow.
Generously.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. Very soft, fluffy. Perfect.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh yeah?
That's good fish.
Oh yeah?
Try it. You'll like it.
I will?
This won't
try?
taste anything.
Mama's probably gonna love this one. What do you think? Tasty? It's like a pillow.
I don't like skin. Wow. Hot. Oh, very
Very
good.
nice.
No, that's too much. That
No,
part.
You're gonna like
No,
it.
that part.
You're gonna like it.
Okay.
Try it. You don't like it?
No, I like it, but I don't like that I caught it.
This is bomb. Like it's from the ocean.
Oh!
So different, huh, from the tastes like ice.
Very
Theirs
fluffy.
tastes like tank, but
not-
it's been there for a while.
Not too firm.
Is it striped bass season?
Look at that.
Yeah.
快啲去捉多啲啦！
Oh yeah, very easy. I'll just go back.
Apparently you're the fish whisperer now too.
Okay, yeah.